Metrolabs.
Thanks for watching and for your continued support. Today, we're exploring pesticide laboratory furniture and workstations by Metrolabs, designed for compliance, accuracy, and safety. Why lab design defines reliability? In any kind of laboratory testing and formulation research, every microgram matters. A single inconsistency can affect data, delay approvals, or impact public safety. That's why laboratories today demand more than just tables and benches. They need advanced engineered environments designed for safety, accuracy, and compliance. At Metrolabs, we design, manufacture, and install pesticide laboratory furniture and workstations built to meet the most stringent national and international regulatory standards. Now comes the critical question. Why is pesticide lab furniture different from ordinary laboratory furniture? Pesticide laboratories are unique. They combine chemical testing, biological evaluation, toxicology, and formulation studies under one roof. Each division demands tailored furniture, resistant to corrosion, designed for ergonomics, and flexible for regulatory audits. Metrolabs provides integrated solutions that meet these technical, operational, and compliance needs, ensuring your laboratory performs efficiently and passes inspections seamlessly. Core regulatory compliance and certifications. Setting up or upgrading a pesticide laboratory involves meeting specific regulatory standards that govern design and workflow, safety, and data integrity. Metrolabs modular laboratory furniture systems are designed in alignment with ISO standards, ISO IEC 17025. General requirements for testing and calibration laboratories, ISO 9001. Quality management systems ensuring consistent manufacturing and installation, ISO 14001. Environmental management and sustainability standards, Good Laboratory Practice GLP. As per OECD GLP principles, labs must ensure proper space allocation, chemical segregation, environmental control, and safe personnel movement, all achievable with Metrolabs modular workstations and storage systems. National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories, NABL. Accreditation demands traceability, contamination prevention, and controlled lab environments. Our furniture supports these through sealed countertops, chemical-resistant coatings, and cleanable surfaces. Bureau of Indian Standards. BIS recognition for laboratory infrastructure involves adherence to IS 15587, IS 15702, and related standards for laboratory furnishings, ventilation, and ergonomics. Central Insecticides Board and Registration Committee, CIB and RC. For pesticide testing and registration, labs must comply with CIB and RC requirements under the Insecticides Act 1968, ensuring chemical safety, waste disposal systems, and proper segregation of test areas, which our designs fully support. Fumehoods, critical containment system. A fumehood is not optional in pesticide labs. It is a primary safety barrier. But here is something important. Not all fumehoods are the same. Different chemicals require different specifications. Acid digestion leads to corrosion-resistant inner lining. Organic solvents leads to spark-proof electrical fittings. Highly toxic vapors leads to high-efficiency airflow with phase velocity control. Heavy vapor compounds leads to lower exhaust positioning. Metrolabs designs ducted fumehoods, ductless fumehoods, high-performance airflow models, chemical-specific lining options, flame-proof configurations. We design airflow velocity based on chemical usage, not guesswork. Because containment efficiency defines lab safety. Scrubber system, environmental protection engineering. Now let us talk about something most suppliers ignore. What happens to the fumes after they leave the fumehood? If released directly, toxic vapors enter the atmosphere. That is illegal. That is dangerous. This is where a scrubber system becomes mandatory. How scrubber works. Simple explanation. 1. Fumes exit fumehood. 2. Enter scrubber chamber. 3. Pass through carbon filtration. 4. Pass through water absorption layer. 5. Harmful particles are neutralized. 6. Treated air is released safely. This is not furniture. This is environmental engineering. Metrolabs provides scrubber systems designed according to chemical load, vapor density, lab volume, regulatory discharge norms. We design sealed closed-loop systems, no uncontrolled emission. We can validate the scrubbing system and build a validation process with the entire protocol. Storage infrastructure risk control systems. Chemicals are not normal inventory. They require segregation. Acid cabinets, solvent cabinets, flame retardant cabinets, ventilated cupboards, segregated storage zones. Metrolabs provides flame-proof storage, explosion-resistant fittings, certified flammable storage systems. This supports fire safety, GLP chemical segregation, CIB and RC inspection readiness, environmental compliance. Precision infrastructure. Precision instruments like GC, HPLC, LCMS, analytical balances are sensitive to micro vibrations. Anti-vibration tables isolate external disturbances. This protects data accuracy, calibration stability, instrument lifespan. This is not comfort. This is precision protection. Materials of construction. Every surface in a pesticide lab must withstand corrosive reagents, solvents, and humidity. That's why Metrolabs uses epoxy resin-coated granite worktops, seamless, chemical-resistant, and heat-resistant. Stainless steel, ideal for sterile and wet zones. Granite, perfect for weighing and vibration-sensitive instruments. Our modular frames are made from galvanized and powder-coated steel for long-term protection. Benefits of modular furniture. Modular laboratory furniture isn't just durable, it's future-ready. You can expand or rearrange sections without renovation, integrate new instruments, or comply with updated regulatory layouts. With Metrolabs, your investment grows with your research. Why choose Metrolabs? At Metrolabs, we combine engineering precision, scientific understanding, and regulatory expertise. At Metrolabs, we design, manufacture, supply, and install complete laboratory furniture and systems for pesticide industries. We deliver precision-engineered pesticide laboratory furniture designed to meet the rigorous demands of modern agrochemical and pesticide testing labs. Whether you're analyzing trace residues or developing advanced formulations, our custom furniture solutions enhance accuracy, safety, and efficiency at every stage. If you're planning a new research laboratory or upgrading existing one, partner with Metrolabs, where quality infrastructure supports scientific excellence.